Human app, Humancoin wallet. What is that? So this is a new viral app, kind of alternative to WorldCoin. It's a bit different. Introducing Human, your new digital ID app that also helps you send money to your friends. Harness the power of a network where identities are as unique uh, the individuals who hold them, where each holder has true ownership. The Human app ensures the safety of a human ID and a human dollar, facilitating smooth transactions, effortless payments, and easy friend additions. Step into a community wholly owned by its members and experience the freedom and security of the Human network. Make Human your trusted companion in navigating this revolutionary financial landscape. So, invite only network, so you need to have invites to get in here. For invites, you can look on internet somewhere on Reddit or something like that. Maybe someone can share it with you. And the concept is quite similar to WorldCoin app if you have used it. So you need to invite to get in, and then basically you can start using the app. And just for invite, you're getting 20 human coins, which is something like 10 US dollars. And this is what you see in here. So I just signed up with invite code, and this is what I see. Then if you want to get additional 80 human coins, like additional $40 or something, you need to take a photo of your ID, which some people don't really like to do, but you just decide. I didn't do it yet, but you just decide whether you want to do it, because this is the app which is not yet in top charts, so you can be quite skeptical about it. So think for yourself. And then also you can refer other people. You can refer 5 people and get 45 human coins for each person. By the way, feel free to use my invite code if it's working for you. So just try it out. Maybe it's working for you. Try it in whatever in your browser. Yep. So you have that, and then you have your wallet. It's like you have your human coin. You get human coins for getting verified, for referring people. Then there are some airdrops, and then this is what people say. This is the right now there is no exchange rate, and this common coin it didn't launch yet. So we'll see how it goes. Then there are digital dollars. I don't know. Then Solana, you can buy Solana, and then there is human card. So then basically you can transfer this to human card if you collected enough of human coin. So you can do that basically. But again, to get a human card, you need to invite friends. Mixed reviews about it on App Store. Some people were able to get this human card. Some people say this is a scam and it's just not gonna work. But yeah, some people were able to withdraw this money actually. So I don't know, well, maybe there were some paid reviewers. I don't know. And then you also have like Humancoin will be launched publicly later this year. So we'll see what happens. You can send, swap, buy, sell, receive. Then there are grants. So grants is quite cool. So it's kind of similar to WorldCoin. So every week, all verified human users receive grants from the network. Invite friends to receive grants more often. So this is a 5 human coin grant, which you will be able to claim. In this app, it's not like WorldCoin. You don't need to verify with Orb. So it's only you need to verify your ID if you want to get more human coins and invite more friends. So that's just the idea. And then you have your settings. You can back up your account with a security, with a secret phrase, as you can do with other like apps in this category. And then you just have here, there is support. You can always delete your account. Like in case you uploaded your ID and then you're thinking, oh, why did I do that? You can try to delete your account. I don't guarantee that it will delete all your data, with all these apps, you never know. But yeah, here it is. And then they're also building all their new, they're building their own app store, similar as in WorldCoin. And then you can just install all of these additional apps and their own ecosystems. So that's basically the idea of the app. I'm just curious why it's not yet going that viral in the App Store. Why it's that? But yes, so that's basically the idea. Again, you can just search for it for Humancoin wallet. Just search for this app, and you know, try out my invite code. Otherwise, you can try to find something in Reddit. But that's basically the idea of it. Again, if you go to reviews, if you just search for recent, some people like it, some people don't like it. Some people say this app is actually garbage. Um, how does this work? I've gotten all the referrals and can even use the money on it. So some people just waiting when Humancoin will launch, but I guess this is some kind of Solana token, which will basically launch later this year, and you need to be extremely quick because maybe it will just launch, it will grow in value, and then it will go down in literally one day. So let's see. So a bit of mixed reviews, and as you can see, like a lot of like 1-star reviews, and seems some of the reviews are actually quite fake, but I mean, you can always try. And yeah, like the sign up process is quite complicated. Sometimes when I tried to sign up, it took me like 3 attempts. I couldn't sign up. I couldn't receive the confirmation code. And then yeah, you need to generate with your you need to generate your secret phrase, and remember to save it to your iCloud or save it somewhere safe, because same as with WorldCoin, some people created WorldCoin account like 2 years ago or something. They then when the WorldCoin price went up, they actually forgot access to their accounts. They didn't have iCloud enabled, and yeah, then it's just money disappeared. So maybe if this Humancoin will go up at some point, just make sure to have your recovery code ready, even if you just forget about this app, whatever. um, but yeah, some people don't really like it because there are a lot of issues, and as you can see, this app was already like for a year, which is a positive sign kind of, because it was already developed for a year, and they have a CEO which was basically writing something on Reddit that they really had some technical glitches and they tried to fix it. So yeah, that's basically what it is. You can see it in here. Again, go try it out. My invite code. Hopefully it works for you. So this is my invite code. I only have 5 spots left. So yeah, try it out. And hope you have fun with this app. It's quite a nice app. And again, yeah, also you can send, you can swap, you can buy and sell, but yeah, you need to invite more people to do that. And then you can also receive. So here is basically my human address, which it is. So yeah, that's what it is.